Hi everyone, welcome to toGUSROM live stream studio. So happy to have you here. This is Sherry.
And I'm Jeremy. Welcome to toGUSROM live stream studio.
Yes.
And we are toGUSROM, your dental digital CAD/CAM solutions provider. Whether you are catching us for the first very time or joining our second live stream, thank you for stopping by. So before we start our live stream, let me introduce our company quickly. So we are digital dental suppliers and we have our own R&D. So we make our own many machines and other products like
Zirconia,
Zirconia, PMMA,
yes,
and stain and glaze, and furnaces,
yes.
and scanners, and 3D printers, and we make them all.
Yeah.
And there is one thing we're especially proud of. We invested heavily in automated production lines for our Zirconia blocks. And we use top quality raw powder, and that means we have rock solid consistency. And for our stock, we usually keep more than 100,000 pieces. So that means we can ship your order very fast. So if any of this sounds good, just type your questions or your contact info right into the comments, and our sales team will get back to you as soon as possible.
Yes, and let's start our living shoe. First, we will introduce our Zirconia blocks.
Yes.
First. And we have many types of Zirconia block, from HT white, HT shaded, and
HT shaded and HT white for your choice.
HT white, HT shaded, and ST.
And also SHT.
ST, SHT,
Yes.
and 3D, 4D. Yes, we have almost 13 types of Zirconia blocks, and the different blocks will have different parameters. For example, if you want for the non-bridge, full arch bridge denture, we suggest 3D and 3DX to you. And if you want to make how to say this, identities with good aesthetic and good performance, we will introduce about 3D premium.
Yes.
3D premium.
Yeah, this series there are 6 layers, and their translucency is from 43% to 57%.
Yes.
And and you use this Zirconia, and the result is very natural looking, and you will have a very good restorations.
Yes.
Yes. So this series is perfect for anterior cases, and so if you want to more natural looking cases, and this series is my first
suggestion.
Yes.
First suggestion. And this one we also have another series of 3D, and this is a 3D flash. This is about faster sintering balance. So if some customer just go to a clinic and they want to make a denture just with 1 day, so we will suggest you to use this one, because for one single crown, for the 3D flash, it is only about 20 minutes for sintering. So we know for another types of the Zirconia blocks, we will need almost about 2 hours or 10 hours. But for this one, it is only 14 minutes, and you only spend about 30 minutes to skinner to rest, and only 30 minutes for mini and 40 minutes for sintering and next you can just stay and glaze. So we can just finish one dental cases within 1 day. So you can get it very quickly. So we just suggest this 3D flash. This is our new products. Yes, if you have interesting, you can just leave your message in our comment areas. Our sales teams will just get back to you soon.
Yes, so 3D Flash is for someone who want to save their times, and if the aesthetic results and the quality is your first consideration, we'll recommend you our 4D series.
Yes.
And we have 4D Pro and 4DX, two choice here, and they are made, and this 4DX ML are made toso powder, and this powder is considered the gold standard in industry. And this series up to 8 layers, and they have super high translucency from 43% to 57%. So this color regrint is so natural, and it almost looks like real tooth structure. So when NAPs compare our Zirconia side by side with the highest end product on the market, they are always impressed because they have good quality and the result will very natural looking. So this series, this Zirconia series, the quality is right there at the top.
Yes, and we also have a lot of types of zirconia. For example, the SHP, ST, yes, SHT, and ST, yes. This is for about light layers also, yeah, or two. And for the SHT and the ST MER, it is just a multi-layer zirconia block. So for example, for many countries, it is very popular. For example, for the Turkey, and for the Iran, and for how to say this, for Yemen and another country, yes. STMER is very acceptable. So because it is very cost effective. So if you want to choose these two types of zirconia block, and we can give you more details about these two. And many people maybe ask how many units the ST and SHT materials could be used. So we will suggest we see 3 units per each. So with these two types of zirconia block.
Okay, so let's welcome our friends. Welcome to toGUSROM live stream studio.
Welcome, yes.
Yeah, we'll just introduce our Zirconia blocks.
Yes, if you have any questions, just leave your message in the comment areas.
Yes,
we will answer you soon. And for the lower types of the zirconia, we will suggest about HT. Yes, HT color and HT
white.
HT white. And most of people wear low light. For HT, it will have more good breathing stress. So good normally good stress will can just make you to make a long bridge. For example, so if you want to make a long bridge of the zirconia block, we will suggest the HT, but the translucency is not good. So normally in the normal cases, If you want to use the full arch, we will suggest the 3D. But if you want to make 4, 5 units, so we will suggest you to choose the HT. So it is a good suggestion. And do you know the so for many people who are just get in the how to say that in the dental industry, so many customers we are asked what's the information of the zirconia that is meaning. Yes, so I can suggest you about this information. What is this information meaning? For example, this one. This is the 4DX. This is the type of the zirconia, and this is M year. M year is a brief name of the material.
Yeah.
Yes, and here it is about the serum. Here it will show 100% of total. It means for this zirconia, it is made by total powder. So we know the total powder is very good quality of the materials about zirconia block in the world. So many people will know total powder is with good stress and good translucence and also high price. And here shows 8 nails. It means for make these zirconia blocks, we will use the martinez method to make it. We will put the powder for 8 times and then press it into 1 blocks. And here is 16 millimeter. It means for this the thickness is 16 millimeters. And here is A3 color. It means that we usually in the industry we will just refer to the Rita or Intraoral colors. And so this is A3. You can just refer to them. And here is the body stress. The body stress is from 1,300 to 800 MPa. So you can do the I can show this. For this up, it is about 113 MPa, and for the down for this downside is about 8 MPa. So we know for our incision part, it is more thin. So it will lead a little body stress. So 800 is enough. But for our cheese, for a lot part, it is very thin. I was thin. So we need we need a strong body stress. So it is 11300 MPa. And for this 14.3 to 57%, it is the translucent. And also for the denture, so for the incision part, it is about 57%, and it is very translucent. And for the down part, it is about 14.3. And also in here we can see with the label in here. And here is also the zirconia blocks types and colors and the skinnings. And this is also the same reference parameters with the skinning. So it means that if it is more high, so the color block is where the color block it is where with a good density. And here is this is a bounce number. Here is the bounce number 2511994, and here is the thickness. You can see 98 plus 16. So 98 is the round diameter. It is the 98, and the 16 is the thickness of these blocks. So you can just get many information about the color block from the information just show on the blocks. So you can get one, and you will know so much about the color blocks.
Yes, and many of you maybe want to know whether our Zirconia blocks are compatible with other open CAD/CAM system. And for these questions, my answer is absolutely yes. So our Zirconia blocks are compatible with most open CAD/CAM system, and so you don't need to change your workflow at all. And I think this is very convenient for you.
And so many customers will use. So whether you are currently using the Zirconia block from another major brand or just start out, we'd love to for you to give you a try. You can just with confidence. You will be happy with our Zirconia blocks. And for example, if you want HT white or the 3D Premiere or 4D Premiere, we were happy to give you samples for try. And yes, I forgot to mention, if you here, if for many people maybe we are asked about the color liquid. Yes, color liquid is for the white blocks. For example, for the HT white, ST white, and SHT white. And it will use the different color liquids, so you can just soak the color blocks. When after meeting, you can just soak it in the liquid, and you will here you can show different colors. And just following on the manual, you will get after sintering, you will get the colors which you use the different liquids. This is HT color liquid, and we also have ST color liquid. And here is a magical liquid. It is for the we call it is 3 acidic liquid. It is just brush on the color blocks and just change the translucent of the color blocks just to make the result more aesthetic, and it will prefer very good. And usually we will just use this magic liquid in ST white and SHT white, and we have about 13 colors. We have about 13 colors to choose, and we also have opaque liquids. So, for example, if your orange cheese have a deep color, so if you use the normal single crown, just put in your orange denture. So maybe you can see the color will just show out So we will use the opacity liquid to just brush on the inner of the cone, just to hide the color of your orange dentures. So you can just so it can make your denture more natural and more aesthetic.
Yes, additionally, in this seat, yeah, you know, we have 13 colors in this
Yes,
seat.
yes.
And include them, we have 8 colors for the beating surface, and 3 colors is for the gum area, and 3 colors are for the incisional edge. And you know, you can use this aesthetic stay liquid, layer this color on over the base shade, and this color this liquid will end details, will end depth, and if you use this liquid, the final result will looks very natural, very real. For example, you can use essential gray and essential blue. Yes, you can use these 2 colors when you use them, and on the front teeth, and you will got a nice look effect. And when the light pass through, and the results will be very beautiful. And you can, for another exception, you can use this turquoise line gray, and this is a special shade, turquoise line gray, and this is for the teeth that have yellow, brown, or gray dark look. So I think it's very helpful if you are in a dental lab, or you are a clinic, you have your own clinic. And because for this product we design and make by ourselves, so the quality is under our control, and the price we can offer you a very good price. So if you are interested in our new products, or if you have any other questions, so just leave your comments, and we'll be happy to help you.
Yes, and we are just talking about the liquid, which is just used for the Zirconia block. And here I will also introduce the another products for this one and this one, which we have put indicated powder in the liquid. So you can see here is white, is red, and here is blue. And for this one is diluted liquid. So for example, for this one, this is our parking liquid, and for this one is diluted liquid. For example, if you want to dial the Zirconia blocks, and you desire for one side, and one side is thin, and for another side is very thin. So for the thin one, we will use this diluted liquid, just brush on the thin part. And for the thick part, we will use this opaque liquid, just brush on another side. So after you have just brushed these 2 liquid, and then you can normally just put the Zirconia block on the normal dial liquid. So this will just keep you ensure that you will get correct colors. Just follow on this operation, because many customers will feedback, so they use the A2, for example, A2 colors, and then soak the Zirconia blocks in zirconia denture in the liquid, but heat from the color is different and different after following the operation. So this reason it was this reason it is because the denture the desired denture will have a different thing for the wall of the denture. So for example, one part is thin and one part is thinner. So if you just put in the same liquid, so the result will different. So we need to cooperate with these two liquids to solve the problem. So don't worry. So if you have any questions about how to color the liquid, we will send you a video or operation manual to you to just to guide you how to get your real correct colors. And also for the zirconia blocks, this one is for the before sintering of the coloring, and we also have another products after sintering. This is stain and glaze. For this kit is for the teeth kit. We have the eight colors. The shade A, shade B, shade C, and shade D, and green, blue, and pink, and yellow, and many colors. Totally 8 colors. And also we have diluted liquid. So so you can just get your pasta just look more diluted, and the floors will more smoothly when you brush on the denture. And for this kit, this is for the gingiva kit. So if you want to stay on the gingiva, so we have a lot of choice to get. For example, we have the pink, we have the blood red, and we have the purple, and we have different colors. So if you want the details of the colors and the price, you can just leave your message on the comment areas. We will just get back to you soon.
Yes, I noticed new friends just came in. So we just introduced our Zirconia blocks and some closely related products like liquid, stain and glaze, and let me introduce our company to someone who just came in our live stream.
Yeah.
We are toGUSROM, your digital dental CAD/CAM
Partner, yes.
supplier, and we have our own R&D, so we design and make our own products like mini machines, furnaces, scanners, 3D printers, and some materials too, like the Zirconia box, titanium, and the PMMA PIC,
yes.
and some
Stain and glaze, yes, and magic liquid,
yes,
and the coloring liquid, and the free pasta. Yes, we also have the free pasta to choose. So you can just use our products when you're sintering on the sintering balance. Yes. And here is the PMMA. Yes, you can see. This is pink, the color, and this is almost 20 25 millimeters. So very thick. So this is just the milling by our milling machine. Yes, the milling machine. Yeah, the dry milling machine and our wet milling machine.
Yes, and so we have our own factories and they are full automatic lines. So we also have our equipment factory. We usually keep more than 100,000 pieces in stock. That means we can ship your all goods very fast, and our product quantity is under our control, and we also provide our customers some real technical service and very good after-sales service. And we will provide, as you know, we have a lot of types of products, so we also provide our customers one-stop service. So toGUSROM is not a manufacturer. We are your good, stable partner. Yes.
And below for dental lab, we are just focused on the dental lab So for the dental lab, we have the materials. We have just introduced all materials to you, and later we will introduce all equipment to you. So many people will like one steps for the full workflows for the dental jobs. It is about scanner, yes. So we will introduce our scanner to you.
The first scanner we are introducing is our Intraoral scanner.
Yes, Intraoral scanner.
Yes. So you can see this little pack over here.
Yes, it's very
light.
Yes,
I think
only about 2.5 kilometers.
Yes.
Yes, and for the Zirconia and for the oral scanner, it is only 155 grams. Yes, very light.
Yeah.
Yes,
very
comfortable.
Yeah.
Yes, you can just use your hands to handle it and move it flexible.
Yes, you know, this small package, I think this weight, this size is perfect for you. You know, like private clinic, and you want something easy to grab and go. So you can literally just toss it in your bag and take it anywhere.
Yes, and I can show you the part of the whole package.
Yes.
Yes, the host of the scanner.
And we provide you 6 tips.
Yes,
for you.
6 scanner tips.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's enough for daily usage.
Yes, and one protection cover. Yes, for the head.
Yes.
Yes, and basket. Yes, basket for the scanner. You can just put it on it. And here is the calibration. Yes, here is calibration for the scanner. So many people will ask. So if I need calibration by ourselves, when we just get the scanner, get the package. So usually we will scanner before we ship to the we ship from the factory. So after you get it, so you can scan by itself or not. So and the scanner is very easy. You can just connect the cable. Connect the cable. Okay. calibration,
Yes.
and this one to your laptop. And then just put the scanner in here. And this one is also connect your computer. So only about 5 minutes to 10 minutes it will finish calibration. So usually if you use the worry scanner very frequently, so we suggest you can just scan it every week. So if you not use the ever, so you can just prolong the calibration time. Yes.
And about the accuracy, this intraoral scanner is precise down to 8 micrometers, and for a full arch scan, it just take 1 minute. I see some new friends just came in. Welcome.
Hello, welcome.
Welcome.
So now we are just introduced our worry scanner to you.
Yes.
So if you have any questions, you can just leave your message in the comment areas. And now we are talking about the worry scanner. And here have a USB, yes, USB driver. So we have put our software in USB driver. And don't worry if you have lost the USB driver. One of my customers have happened this. They have lost the USB driver, and he's so worried about he will not download the software. But don't worry about it. So we will have a cloud address for you to download the software driver in the internet.
Yes, so some of you maybe want to know whether this scanner can scan mental implants, and absolutely it can. The G-Scan IQ support mental implant scanning thanks to its dynamic.
Welcome. Yes. Welcome, our friend. Yes. If you have any questions about worry scanner, you can leave your message. Now we are just introduced our worry scanner to our visitors. Hello, welcome. Yes, many visitors come in. Yes, welcome.
Thank you,
yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Just leave your message if you have any questions. So now we have introduced our worry scanner. If you have any questions about this, we can leave 1 minute to with you.
And our G-Scan IQ can connect directly to ExoCAD for design work. So if you want to use 3Shape, you just import the dental model data straight into 3Shape, and it plays nice with most software.
Yes, and we will also keep updating the software every 3 months. So don't worry about. Many people will just worry about they get this machine and the software is still keep old and can't to be the update always. So don't worry about this. We will keep updating every 3 months. So you can always use new software.
Yes. So if you are interested in our scanner, intraoral scanner, and maybe you want to have a quote, just leave your comment, and we'll be here to help you.
Yes, and next we will introduce our live scanner.
Yes. So next product, we're introducing our desktop scanner G-Scan Z.
Yes, this is the blue.
Yeah. So if an intraoral scanner isn't exactly what you want, what you need, and maybe you prefer a desktop scanner, this scanner G-Scan Z.
Yes.
This is our last lab scanner.
And the precision of this scanner, can reach up to 5 micrometers. So you can get more precision scanner results from these products. And also many people will low light for a lab scanner. The scanner time is very fast.
Yes.
So for only for 4 hours scanner time, it is only need the 15 seconds, and for the full impressive scan it is only about 30 seconds, and for the integrated scan it is only about 23 seconds. And for the up and lower impression scan is about 60 seconds. So many and also for the lab scanner, it is also light, and it's only about 10 kilometers. So you can just put it in and just put it away in your lab scanner, and when you get the lab scanner, so first it is also just we will show you videos to show you how to install the scanner. It is very easy. Yes, just follow on the video. And the next is just to install the software. Hello friends. Yes, we are talking about the lab scanner. We will also have two ways to download the software. One is from the USB driver, and one is from the cloud internet. Yes, you can download it. And we also keep upstanding the software of our lab scanner. So we will just upstanding the function and the bad function of the lab scanner depend on the developer of the market. We will just update on our software, and you can always keep use new and update software always. Good.
So additionally, some of our viewers might be in different countries with different voltage, and for this problem, we'll set everything up to match your local requirements like voltage, languages, so it will be pretty much ready to go right out of the box. And so if you are looking for a fast and a current desktop scanner, and you want to use desktop scanner to boost your workflow, and I think this model, this scanner G-Scan Z, is the best choice for you.
Yes, and after scanner, the next step is about the printer. Yes, the printer is a little heavy, so we will just move our camera here to show you.
这样就不会。我也不。
没关系。
So just one moment. We'll move the camera
Yes.
over here.
You can select. This is our 3D printer. This is with a white appearance. Yeah. And here is the screen. Yeah. And here is also a USB. And here is the chamber of the hole printing. You can see. You can see here. Almost have the reason on it, because we have used this 3D printer to print this is the ceramic resin to print the dentures, and the samples we have just sent to our customers. And here you can see. And for advantage of this 3D printer is about the whole printer areas is very large, so we can almost finish about 20 or 14 dentures, almost 20 or 14 dentures one times. And the whole printer printing time will just depend on the thickness of the denture. For example, if your denture is very thin, so it will faster. And if your denture cases is very thick, so the whole time will need more. And here is the scanner. It's a touch screen scanner, so you can when you insert the USB, your scanner fails in the USB driver. You can just insert in here, and then just choose your files in here, and just print stuff. And also for the 3D printer, you also need to install the software in a computer. You can set the parameters depend on the manuals of different materials. For example, for the normal region, and for the car region, and for the ceramic region, maybe for some part it is different. So you can just change. You can just adjust the parameters which is different, and another you can just keep same. And you can insert all the parameters in the computer after sending. So you can just print in here, printing. So it will start printing soon. I remember for one whole print time, it will need about 14 minutes. Yes. And this is our 3D printer. So if you have any questions, you can just get back to yes. You can just leave your message on the and the comment areas. We will get back to you very soon.
So next product we are introducing is our flagship.
Yeah, here have a result for printing.
Yes.
Yes, this is a model.
The next product we are introducing is our flagship
Mini machine, yes. after printing and next step is milling. So we have different types of milling machine.
Let's move the camera closer to the product.
This dry milling machine. This is toGUSROM 5D AF, and this one, yes, with airless model and airless red model.
This model is GSM 5D AF. Yes, you know the AF means air free.
Yes.
So this is a dry milling machine that works without the air pump, external air compressor, and you know, no air compressor needed, and it runs on its own, and that means much less noise, and you know, without the air pump running, it's a lot quieter. And the second feature is that you don't need a big space, so it fits almost everywhere. And so if your lab or your clinic is small, or you want to keep something quiet, I think this model GSM 5DAF is a good choice. So you can see this machine use USB port on the left side, and you just import your CAD/CAM design fields from here, and then load your material and tools, and you are ready to mill. And you know, it's a dry milling machine, so it can mill Zirconia blocks, wax, PMMA, PIC, so all kind of composite materials. So it's very flexible.
Yes, and usually for the dry milling machine, we use the to mill the Zirconia blocks a lot. And for PMMA and the PIC and and other stick materials, we will more used to advise you to choose the wet milling machine, because we know the character of the PMMA. So if you use dry model, it is okay, but we suggest not to use it a lot. If you want, for example, if a lab who just buy a milling machine for mill the PMMA every day milling, so we will suggest a wet milling machine to him. If a lab who want to mill the Zirconia blocks every day, so we will just suggest you to choose the dry milling machine. Yes, we have 3 types of dry milling machine: GSM 5D, GSM 5DC, and GSM 5DAF. And for the 5D and the 5DC, it is air-raised milling machine. And for the 5DAF, it is air-free milling machine. Here you can see in the tour magazine, we have a small air blue equipment in here. So in our machine, we have air compressor in the machine. So he will just blow the airs when milling, and just blow out the Zirconia powder. Just blew down from the Zirconia blocks, and here you can see is a hole. Here it can just connect a vacuum. So when the powder come down to the bottom of the machine, so the vacuum will just suck it away. And also we have about 13 position for the milling bars, and for the 2, 4 position, it is for the Zirconia block. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the Zirconia block, and for the 5 and 7, it is for the PMA. Yes, for the PMA. For the ladder 8 and 9 and another position, it is just designed for if you have another complex cases for the meaning the Zirconia or another materials. So you can just put the special mini machine in the 8, 9 and the rest position in here. We can just adjust the strategy of meaning to help you to finish the full complex cases meaning. And here is a warm light. So when your mini processing is very successful, so it will turn green. So when your mini process is happened some error, so it will turn red, just to remind you the machine have some error. So you need to check whether it is happened on your last fields, on your NC fields, or your error operation, or the machines. So you can just contact to us. So we will just help you to solve the problem out. So this is our mini machine, and we also have the red mini machine and dry and wet mini machine, and matte mini machine for the implant mini. So the time is up, so we can just introduce you another machines for the last stream studio to for you. So now for the last 1 minute. So my friends, if you have any questions, so you can just leave your message and comment errors. We will answer you.
Back to our table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, my partner, come here.
So time is almost up. Today we have introduced most of our products. First product we've introduced is our Zirconia.
Yes, we focus most of the times on the Zirconia blocks.
Yes, and some closely related products like liquid and some other products like ceramic blocks.
Yes, ceramic.
And PMMA we have also introduced. Yes. So and if you are interested in this product, and if you want to have a quote for our machines and some materials, so please leave your comments or send your info to us, and our sales team will get back to you as soon as possible.
Yeah. See you next time.
Yeah. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.